Want ultimate control of your WordPress forms? Paymattic lets you schedule availability and limit submissions. No more form chaos, just streamlined workflows your way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so I want to schedule this form right here. So I'll go to the settings and see right here in the scheduling option. These are all the options that you can play with. Now, I want to cap the number of submissions. There. No more scrambling to shut things down after I've reached capacity. I can tweak the number of entries and cap it based on different factors. And if I wanted to, I can cap the number based on payments. Plus, you can customize a message to let users know when the party's over. With this, I can pick the exact time frame my form will be live. Need submissions for a specific event? Paymattic handles it. And for those early birds or the perpetually late, I can craft custom messages to display before the form opens or after it closes. If I need an extra layer of security, I can just enable this and be stress-free. Now, no one can access the form who doesn't have access. Think of it like a VIP pass. Only logged-in users get to play. And finally, when those restrictions kick in, I can decide what happens to the form. Hide the whole thing, disable the submit button, or even trigger a failed validation message. Totally my call. See, with Paymattic, I'm the boss of my forms. No more form free-for-alls, just streamlined workflows and complete control. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and conquer your forms with Paymattic.